voice whispered through the pride. Is this sort of love or regicide? Tell me I'm adored. Please tell me I'm adored.
Hey, oh, what is it? He got a bone to pick with you.
There's no food, no water.
Yeah, it's dinner time and ain't no stinking entrees.
You and your petty complaints. You don't know what real hunger is. Day after day it gnaws at the very core of my being.
I had it once. It was wines.
Now. It's like an itch. Deep, persistent, profound.
That's it. Wines. When they get really bad, all you gotta do is hunker down and scoot.
Thanks for the tip. Ingrates! If it weren't for me, you'd be beating off buzzards for your next bite.
Yeah, I'll save your thanks a bunch. But how about some lunch? It doesn't matter if it's fresh. I need a mix of flesh. My bones have moved to where they never been. They are on the outside, looking in.
Are you ready, me?
Oh no! It's the loyalists.
Ah,
You are so adored. You are so adored. Oh, you are so adored.
that's more like it.
What I get for one more hit. How could you miss your massa? Oh, baby, on your roller spit. Oh, how I miss Mufasa!
Mufasa! Mufasa! Dare you? I told you never to mention that name.
Note taken. I shall never mention again.
Even in death, shadow looms over me. There he is. No, there he is. I'm there!
Calm yourself, sire, or you'll get another one of your splitting headaches.
I am perfectly fine! I'm better than Mufasa was. I'm revered, I am admired. I'm idolized. I am despised. I'm keeping calm. I'm going wild! I tell myself I'm fine. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. I tell myself I'm fine. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not.
Who am I talking to? No, pull yourself together, sir!
Oh, very well. Zazu. Zazu.
Yes, sire.
Nobody that I don't have.
Do you want the short list or the long?
Whatever. Without a queen, what am I? A dead end. No line, no descendants, no future. With a queen, I'll have cubs. Immortality will be mine. Immortality will be mine.
Scar.
Oh, no. Your timing couldn't have been more. Those assets feminine.
The king, control the
I have to
hyenas.
make her lives.
Destroy the Pride Lands.
Nobility in every gene.
If we stop now, don't you
She
see?
has to be my queen.
There's still a chance for things to be all right again.
It's written in the stars.
What are you doing? Are you listening to me?
We'll create a